The Food and Drug Administration says Americans are facing a more imminent danger in the aisles of their neighborhood grocery stores in the form of trans fats. The agency announced it plans to eliminate trans fats from the American food supply. But as Lori Johnson reports, the processed food industry will likely fight the measure.
Packaged foods are loaded with trans fats because they're cheap, have a smooth texture, and prevent food from spoiling. Michael Moss investigated the processed food industry and says their huge profits are largely due to trans fats.
They got big by making products that are utterly irresistible to people, both in taste but also ultra convenient, that will sit on the shelf and be waiting for you when you're ready to eat them, and also incredibly low cost.
But trans fats are deadly, according to the medical community. Dr. Michael Aziz says because trans fats are artificially synthesized in a lab, our body doesn't know what to do with them.
Trans fats are really like plastic, and when we eat them, they incorporate in our cells, and the cells cannot communicate or talk to one another. In turn, hormones are disturbed. Weight gain follows, but more troubling, the risk for heart disease, cancer, stroke, infertility goes up.
Trans fats have even been linked to Alzheimer's disease and are the cornerstone of an inflammatory diet. Cardiologist Deepak Talreja tells his patients to scan a product's list of ingredients for trans fats, which are also called hydrogenated oils.
Trans fats are probably one of the most dangerous things we can consume that you see in everyday foods available to us that have no restrictions on them.
The Food and Drug Administration is giving food companies 2 months to try to prove trans fats are safe. If they can't, they'll be given a deadline to phase them out. Lori Johnson, CBN News.